Hey friends, if you wish to download, update and troubleshoot USB drivers on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now the process is same for any USB driver. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Whether you wish to download or update, it's all done in the same manner. Expand universal serial bus controllers. Now there are a lot of drivers here, but the universal USB root hub ones are the main ones. So right click and update the drivers. Right click and update the drivers. Right click and update the drivers. So all of them. Okay. And once it's done, you have updated the USB drivers. There's nothing like troubleshooting USB drivers separately. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.